Welcome to Lucky Wheels. The situation where a car drove into the opposite lane and collided with an oncoming truck caused severe damage to both parties. At the moment when the car sped up and couldn't brake, it crashed into the truck in its lane. The dangers of train accidents are ever present. Today, we will delve into the complex details of these events, exploring the factors involved and the lessons we can learn from them to promote traffic safety for everyone. Let's get it on. Be careful when driving on wet roads. Luckily, there was no collision. Obey speed limits. Never drive carelessly. The dust and smoke on the road obstructed visibility, causing a rear-end collision, but everyone is safe. Oh my God! Why did he drive into the opposite lane? That's so dangerous. You know. Don't panic brake. Let's keep a safe distance. Slow down. You can't go fast with that trailer. Oh my goodness, are they all right? Thanks for no further losers. Let's be careful when driving on wet roads, folks. Seems things are going wrong. At least everyone is fine. Whoops, what a mess. Be careful, mate. Oh, be careful of the trees along the road. They could fall at any moment. Definitely to fast and to wide. But that load looks pretty secure. The driver is safe. when driving at high speed, but the trunk is too light. Oh, luckily there was no damage. Please pay attention to the distance. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Please avoid lingering in a truck's blind spot. Either pass quickly or stay a safe distance behind. Keep your attention on the road and your surroundings. At all times, everyone. This driver needs to learn how to take turns on the road properly. Safety first. Obey speed limits. Wear seatbelts and avoid reckless driving. Reduce your speed and be cautious when taking turns. Luckily, the driver is safe. Please be considerate of each other on the road. You two, never compete while driving. It seems like there was a mix-up between the accelerator and brake pedals. Fortunately, there were no injuries. What happened? Hope the driver is fine. They were obviously paying zero attention to the road, or didn't even get his attention. Never overtake on such a curve when you can't see what's coming. An idiot driver, unbelievable. Don't drink and drive, that's illegal, mom. Penalties for reckless driving will be severe. Be a good driver on all roads. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below, let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Is this because of competition on the road? I hope both of you are okay. Hey, slow down when entering the rough and narrow road, and be careful. Know it potentially endangers other drivers. Secure it properly on your vehicle with the appropriate restraints. Oops, avoid lingering in the blind spot areas. To minimize the risk of incidents, guys. Oh my God, the darkness reduces visibility. Whoops, regularly inspect your tires for signs of wear, damage or aging such as cracks, bulges, or uneven tread wear. Why do you accelerate at that moment? Please be careful. Check your rearview mirror to see if there's a car behind you. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below, let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Well, it seemed not to have moved smoothly. Thankfully, no one was injured. Oh my God, his tire blew out and he's trying to brake. I hope the driver is okay. Slow down, drive carefully, and maintain a safe distance. It seems as though he might have dozed off while driving, and suddenly woke up. Fatigue can impair judgment. Consider taking a break to rest and recharge before continuing. Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, Please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.